Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Dragons EDH. Today we're going to be looking at another product review. The other day I happened to be going through a Costco near me and I saw that they had these Tarkir Dragonstorm Commander Kits. And so I thought I'd pick one up, and in it you will get one commander deck from Tarkir Dragonstorm, one of the 5 available options, either Mardu, Sultai, Temur, Jeskai, or Abzan. Ha, I almost forgot Abzan. And each of the decks itself is worth about $65 to $80 Canadian, depending on where you're buying it from. And it also comes with 4 play boosters or set boosters from Foundations, Lorna Eclipse, Tarkir Dragonstorm, or Rivals of Ixalan. And it also has a really cool promo of Gishath Sun's Avatar. Now, I don't know about you, I'm not a dinosaur player, apologies, but if you do like dinosaurs, the art on this is pretty cool. And so the value of the whole product itself is much more than what you pay for it. I paid $65 plus tax, which in Canada is about what, $73, $74. And that in itself almost covers the entire cost of the deck by itself. And so essentially what you're doing is, if you really like Tarkir Dragonstorm or any of the commander decks, I picked up the Mardu one. The Sultan one's my favorite, but they were all sold out. The deck itself covers the cost of the entire kit, which means essentially you get a promo and you get 4 packs for free, which means that this is a pretty sweet deal, especially if you really like Tarkir Dragonstorm, which I do. It was one of my favorite sets of the past year. So generally, the value is pretty excellent. So let me know if you're going to pick one up from your local Costco retailer. As I said, all 5 of the different clans have commander decks, commander kits. It's an excellent product, excellent value. And let me know which one you would pick up in the comment section down below. Anyhow, have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you later.